everyone. On behalf of Tandon International School, I feel immense pleasure to announce that we are going to commence our scholarship test from this very Sunday, that is 27 March 2022. It will be of 2 hours and it will be of 4th, 5th and 6th class. We are providing 100% scholarship to 4th students, which means no admission fee, no registration fee and no tuition fee throughout the year. Along with it, we are also providing 75% scholarship to 4 students, 50% scholarship to 4 students, 25% scholarship to 6 students and 10% scholarship to 6 students. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and avail the opportunity now. You can contact us on our contact number given below, or you can also download our Google form from our official website given below. Hurry up.